Hey guys, do you want to see how I turned these boring wine glasses into these super glam geode style wine glasses that look perfect on any dining room table setting? Then stay tuned and watch this video. The glasses I'm using are plastic, and I really love that for this project because I don't know about you guys, but I break glasses left and right all the time. Like every week I am breaking another wine glass. So if you're putting all your hard work into designing these wine glasses, you definitely want to make sure they are plastic, so if they fall, they do not shatter. I am just using a shiny metallic-y silver spray paint. I think I got this one from Amazon, so I will list the link down below. Also, don't forget to spray paint the inside of your glass. These are just going to be decorative wine glasses. Nobody is going to drink from them, so you can go ahead and spray paint the inside as well. So once your wine glass is dry, you are going to take Mod Podge, which you can get at any craft store. I actually found some at the Dollar Tree. And I am using an old beauty blender because I couldn't find my sponge, my painting sponge. So this old beauty blender will work just as good. And I am just putting the Mod Podge wherever I am going to be putting glitter. So I'm doing the base of my glass, I'm doing the stem, and I am just putting a good amount all over so that the glitter really sticks on there. So for the bowl of my wine glass, I am just going to be spreading the Mod Podge around kind of in an irregular pattern. Again, since this is a geode style, it does not have to be perfect. It's actually better to not be too uniform. So you can go ahead and just spread your Mod Podge on however you'd like. And then I am taking some silver glitter and just sprinkling it all over my wine glass. I am also sprinkling on some white glitter just so it has two different colors. Of course, you guys can use any colors that you wish. I picked up this really pretty decorative filler from Michael's. And this is where I'm going to come in with my hot glue gun, and I'm just going to start placing my decorative filler around kind of the outline of where I put my glitter on my wine glass. So again, does not have to be perfect. You can put your decorative filler wherever you wish. So we're doing the same thing that we did on the base of our wine glass to the bowl of the wine glass. And I just put that hot glue around the outline of the glitter, and now I'm just placing on my decorative filler rocks, and these are such a pretty color. I will try to find the link down below. I don't know if it's a seasonal item from Michael's, but if you can get your hands on them, I definitely recommend them. I ordered these clear rocks on Amazon a while ago. You can also use crushed glass or whatever you would really like. I would just say to go for a larger rock to kind of just add some accent. So what I'm doing is I'm gluing on these rocks just on top of or kind of to the side of my smaller decorative rocks. And again, guys, you can just kind of glue this on wherever you feel looks good. There is no rules to this really. You want it to be irregular. So I'm just gluing a few of these on. I'm going to do about 2 on the base and maybe 2 on the bowl of the wine glass. Here is our finished product, and I am obsessed with these wine glasses. They make a perfect gift or just to have them in your own home. I feel like these are just such a compliment to any dining room table. This is one of my friend's dining room table settings. As you can see, she already had a beautiful table setting, and these wine glasses made it pop even more. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below.